What's up, you guys? We are here at C10 Nationals here in Nashville, Tennessee. It is Saturday. It's a beautiful day. There's a lot of cool, beautiful trucks here. We're gonna go take you around and show you all the best ones. Let's go. Have you guys ever noticed that the lifted stick together? It's like you see one that's lifted, you're gonna see five. Yellow is such an underrated color on these old trucks. This is so pretty. Very nice. Oh my gosh, we found a pig nose grill. I don't know why these are never at the shows, but look, we found one. Okay, I'm such a sucker for these. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like working trucks. So cool. You just don't really see them. Okay, this one obviously needs some work, unless you kind of like this patina style. But I just wanted to show you guys this cattle guard. I love grill guards. Even on my Tahoe, I have one. This one's cool. It's really hard for a square body to really stick out to me, but this one's kind of cool. I like the paint scheme on this one, the colors.
Well, because you see it, yeah.
Okay, look at this beauty. We love the paint scheme. The trim is right. It looks good. The bed has a nice wood finish. Beautiful stain on it. Tailgate is in perfect condition. And then the interior. This green color with that brown is just gorgeous. I love this. Let's see what we got underneath here. Oh, baby. Okay, graphics on the car are so hit or miss for me, but this is a definite hit. Look at this. I actually think this is very tastefully done. And the interior, you guys, this houndstooth is so funky and I'm obsessed with it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I need this vehicle. I need this. Okay, owner, if you were watching this, sell this to me, please. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. If you guys are following along, I'm just gonna say this. We're not revealing what our Bronco is going to be or look like yet, but I will just say, hint, hint, that Blazer might look something a little similar to that. We'll see. Okay, square bodies to me are kind of just boring. So again, it takes a lot for a square to stick out to me, but this one is pretty clean. I like the blue color. I think the paint is nice. We got a nice Snowden seat in here. Overall, this is a decent looking square. Okay, this color. It's like a dark cherry metallic, I would describe it. Actually, there might not be any metallic and I can't tell, but look at that. I'm gonna call this color dark cherry because it is just so pretty. Look at this interior, the brown, it's very, very nice. All right, we got an old school bus here. That's cool. I go to a lot of shows. I've never seen a school bus, truly a first. Very nice. funny. I literally never feature graphic trucks on this channel. I featured like several and I just found another one. This like West Coast vibe, I'm so into. Look at the pattern on the seats. Yeah, this is sweet.
I like that blue one right here.
Oh my gosh. This might be my favorite vehicle I've ever seen at a car show. Are you serious? This thing is so cool.
Is there a body back there? Probably so.
It literally even has the, oh my gosh. It literally even has a little thing back here. This is the coolest thing I've literally ever seen in my life. It's the Slambulance. I'm just a graphics girly now. Like, I just love all of the cool things. I think I just get tired of regular paint. So I don't know. All right, look at this. Very pretty paint scheme. I like the touch of yellow. And the interior. Obviously you can't tell from the camera, but it also smells really nice, which is a good touch. Very nice. Day 2 has been a success so far. We just got started.
Yeah, a lot of nice trucks here today.
Are we gonna go? Here's the deal. We're waiting to see if we're gonna take our Apache out on the Autocross.
So we might be Autocross champions.
Yes, our Paw truck literally might win our class for Autocross. Just so you guys know, it has like maybe 400 horse, maybe. Maybe.
No.
350, you know. You know what, like all men, I'm rounding up, that's all. Obviously the trucks are the main star of the show here, but the vendor row is actually really nice. One of the nicer of the truck shows that I've been to. So we'll go do a quick lap and show you guys that too. This might be my favorite truck at the show, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at the wheels. I love this like seafoam green color with the cream accents. Not white, it's like more of a cream. And it is just so beautiful. Like so tastefully done, I'm obsessed. We found our twin turbo.
Nope, single turbo.
Oh, just single turbo, darn it. Oh, this one is obviously very beautiful as well. I love this like hint of orange it's got going around. And then the interior is like this like taupey brown color that just kind of ties in. Very beautiful. All right, we got 2 beautiful ones right here. Look at that. I'm obsessed. You know, we love red with a brown interior. Great taste. And then right next door, we also have this 3100. Looks like metallic red. And the bedwood looks amazing. The interior looks amazing. This is just very beautiful.
Lock. And I don't know which one does what. I'm not gonna play with it on there.
Crick is about to put his Blazer on the dyno. What do you think you're gonna get?
I'd be happy.
Bad timing. What do you think you're gonna get?
If I get anything over 300, I'd be happy.
315 wheel. That's my bet.
What's your bet? What do you got?
That means he's like 420 at the crank. Or 400 at the crank. It's probably about right.
Yeah, but nah.
Just so our viewers know, tell them what you got in this thing.
Just a 5.3.
Just a 5.3.
That's it.
What you just said?
He's got a 5.3, he's got 243 heads. They've been shaved and milled, 30,000s. I think he's going to be around 300 wheel, 315. That's probably about right. It's an NA motor, but it is spicy. I rode it in on the Autocross yesterday, so it's spicy. We'll see. always got to shoot high.
He just said I have low expectations, but high hopes. Here we go.
I think it's stouter than he thinks it is.
We'll see.
That wasn't a good pull.
208. 208.
That ain't it. He ain't stomped it. Relax.
208. 208.
Yeah.
Our boy's getting coached up over there, or
They're
what?
probably telling him how to lock it up with his HP tuners right now.
But
Lock up the converter.
if 208 is the best read we
It
get
ain't the
today, he won't hear the end of it.
No, it's not though. The mid-shift tune?
Unclear what's happening.
Well, he said that it was Red's cutting them at 5,000, and I asked him maybe it still has a speed cut in there. So he's gonna
Did he get it locked up? The converter?
He was doing that, but he didn't seem to think it was working. I don't know. But he's gonna try to tune out the
Red limiter on 5K.
the speed cut thing potentially.
I was gonna say, because I rode on it with an autocross yesterday, it's more than 200.
Yeah, I would, out of what he said, I would expect upper 200s.
Yeah, I'd say it's close to 3, you know.
Yeah. I told him, well, it's a good tune, I would expect 300s, but I think that might have actually been second. It says it was third, but the way that it was only about 95 mile an hour where he stopped. And so...
I mean, it's gonna pull more than 5K for sure. With that
yeah, for sure.
Okay, so he literally is audibling in the cab and fixing a tune inside the cab right now. So stand by.
Hold on a minute.
We'll see if we can get a better read on this thing. What's been your favorite part about this show so far?
I mean, I really enjoy, you know, the trucks that come, and the autocross is a really neat thing that I haven't ventured into, so I think it's super neat. Sort of intrigued to do something to run it, even though I am a little more of a straight line guy, but I do enjoy it. It is a lot scarier in the passenger seat than in the driver's seat, though. I can tell you that.
I wouldn't know.
I would like to, you definitely need something set up to do it, because it's wild. Like, you hit that corner and you remember that you're in a 80 Blazer, and you kind of have a heart attack.
So maybe we have a race car build in our future. Wouldn't that be something? All right, tune has been complete.
Round 2.
Round 2, it's coming up. Let's see what we can do.
Something right.
226. You guys, I think my Tahoe has more horsepower than that.
Nah, you got something wrong. He ain't locking the converter.
What is going on? What do you think my Apache gets?
Oh, 200 at the wheel. You got a lot of drive shaft, and it's not fast.
I like them pretty, not fast. So,
I like them pretty fast.
question is he gonna pull it again? Is he gonna tune it again? What's gonna happen? First pull was like 202.
208 and 225.
He pulled 208 the first
Keep in mind,
time.
This is wheel horsepower.
225 the
not
second
crank
time.
horsepower.
So the goal was, closer to 300. So we're coming in significantly short.
Yeah, I don't think the converter's locking, because it should be right at 300-ish for the wheel horsepower on this one. He's got, I mean, you got to remember, a stock 5.3 is 330 at the crank, and he's got 30 thousandths off, better heads, and a truck Norris. So something
don't know.
right.
Low for 15 degrees of time.
Yeah, he's only got 15 degrees of timing. He should be like 26, 27 on full throttle.
I told him right now, it probably needs to be at least 28, but I told him to put it 25 and do a pull and see if it's better. That's what he's gonna do.
Like I said, I rode in it, and the butt dyno tells all.
Okay, take 3, here we go. 272? 272! That's probably gonna be the best read we get today.
It's got more.
272. Hey, you know what? We'll be happy with that. That's good. We started from about an hour, now we're up. How are you feeling about your dyno?
That's what I expected. About 280. That's what I got. 280.
No, this is great. Guys, we had a free dyno session. He gained 80 horse. I'm curious to see if he picks up any time on the course now.
I might pick up some time and lose a transmission on the side.
This could be great. It's a give and take.
Are you gonna go back out there with him?
I don't know.
I gotta wait. I got a boat showing up.
All right.
All right, you guys. That wraps our day 2 coverage of C10 Nationals. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure you check out our day 1 video. I'll link it up there for you. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all the things. If you've got any questions about our truck, want to know more about it, just let us know down below. And also, if you want to know when new videos come along, make sure you hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. We'd love to have you here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This was Bay Approved Rides, and we will catch you next time.